Hello, this is John Spike with JPW Realty, and I'm excited to introduce you to 18 Susan Avenue in St. Paul, a beautifully updated home located in the highly desired Highland Park neighborhood.
As you enter the home, you'll notice that everything is fully updated and in perfect condition. The living room on the main level has extra large windows that provide an abundance of daylight. The living space is wide open and has an open feel. The dining room provides additional space for entertaining and holiday meals. The kitchen is fully equipped and appointed with all the latest in kitchen technology. The primary bedroom is a dream. Plenty of room for a queen or even a king-size bed. On the main level, the second bedroom is perfect for second bedroom, office, or even a nursery as shown here. Bathroom, again, fully updated and in perfect condition. In the lower level, you'll find a family living space where you can flake out. Extra large couch will fit in there nicely. There was pergola and a paver patio added, and the double detached garage is great for the hobbyist and those seeking refuge for projects.